Duramax 6.6L V8 turbocharged, automatic, and 4WD. Look. 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 Diesel. Isn't it time you got rid of that old clunker and got behind the wheel of this superb 2007 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Classic? You have to come see this truck in person. Be sure to bring your white gloves to check for dust, because we can't find any. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2007 Sierra 2500 HD Classic 5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality design. It is nicely equipped with features such as Duramax 6.6L V8 turbocharged, automatic, and 4WD. Mike Shaw Buick GMC has the highest customer satisfaction in southern Colorado. Come in and save some green. Look for the green building in the heart of Motor City.